Ever feel like your makeup just sits on top of your skin, looking patchy and flaky, especially if you have dry skin? You're not alone. For years, people with dry skin struggled to get that smooth, flawless finish. Foundation would cling to dry patches, making them look even more obvious. It was a constant battle between wanting coverage and highlighting texture. Then, the game changed with the invention of hydrating primers. These aren't just your average primers. They're specifically formulated with ingredients like hyaluronic acid and glycerin. Think of it as a drink of water for your skin before you apply makeup. This extra layer of moisture plumps up the skin, fills in fine lines, and creates a smooth, dewy canvas. Suddenly, foundation glides on effortlessly, blends seamlessly, and stays looking fresh and hydrated all day. No more patchiness, just a radiant, healthy-looking glow that truly looks like your skin, but better.